Oh, Elbilat, I love spicy chips too. Lick it, Han. Lick it. Lick it. Lick it. You know, if in Philippines, if we eat it like this, really? Like, Elbilat, if in the Philippines we eat like that, say Cheetos, if have someone in our finger, we lick it. Try to lick it. It's delicious. And try to lick it. Oh, lick it. Lick it. Lick it. You lick it. That's the best thing part of eating Cheetos, Han. If you eat Cheetos, that's the very excited part. You lick it.